Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to insert a signature into a Word document on macOS. Let's look at the first scenario, where your signature is an image. You can sign your name on a blank piece of white paper, snap a photo with your iPhone, and sync it to your Mac. Next, in your Microsoft Word workspace, switch over to the Insert tab. From here, select the Picture option. If your photo is in the Photos app, choose Photo Browser. But if it's saved in Finder, go with Picture from File. Locate your signature image and hit Insert. Now you can adjust the size of the signature. If you want to freely change its position, right-click the image, go to Wrap Text, and choose one of the options below, like Square. Then, simply move it exactly where you want it. Now, if the background of your photo doesn't look great, here is what you can do. If you're on a recent version of macOS, right-click the image, choose Open With, and open it with the Preview app. Up on the top toolbar, you'll see a Remove Background icon. Click it, then hit Convert to confirm saving it as a PNG file. Your Mac will automatically remove the background for you. However, it might not be a perfect cutout every single time, so you can use the Instant Alpha tool. Just select the leftover background areas, hit the Delete key, and drag your mouse over those spots to erase the rest. Now your image is converted to a PNG. When you insert the signature back into your Microsoft Word document, it will have a completely transparent background and look much more professional. For the second scenario, let's say you want to use a signature that is already saved in the Preview app. Open any random image with Preview, then turn on the markup toolbar. Here, the signature tool is where your saved signatures are kept. Because these signatures are vectorized and encrypted, there is no direct option to export them as an image file. So, the workaround to extract this signature is to insert it onto an image with a completely white background, and then enlarge it. Next, press Shift-Command-4 to take a screenshot. Capture just that area, and the signature will be saved as a standard image file. From there, you can insert this signature exactly like the method I just showed you in the previous step. And that's it. In this video, I shared how to easily insert a signature into a Microsoft Word document. If you're interested in learning how to create and save signatures in the Preview app like this, be sure to check out the video I linked in the description below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.